Hello everyone, I'm Kanika and welcome back to the crochet tutorial for beginner series. Today in episode 4 we will see how to make a double crochet. If you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing it. Also, there is an entire playlist dedicated to this crochet tutorial series. I'll put the link in the description box below. Please check it out in case you are interested. So now let's quickly get started. A double crochet always starts with a yarn over. So we'll do a yarn over and then we'll insert the hook in the V of the first chain. Pull the yarn through the first one. And now we have got 3 strings of yarn on the hook. Now again we'll do a yarn over and pull through only the first 2. Remember, you have to pull through only the first 2. Yarn over again and pull through the last 2. In the end, you should be left with only 1 string on your hook. Let's do it again. Yarn over, insert into the V, pull through the first. You have 3 strings now. Yarn over, pull through first 2, yarn over, pull through last 2, and you have 1 chain on the hook. Let's quickly do the entire chain. Double crochet grows really fast, so if you have any projects like a jacket or a cardigan, a sweater, you can go ahead and do the double crochet stitch in that. It will grow really fast and oh my god, it's so satisfying to see how quickly your project comes up with this stitch. If you see the length of the stitch, it's pretty high. You can even compare it with a single crochet in the previous video. Let me just correct this one. Yes. Just like single crochet, double crochet also has a lot of variations that you can learn and follow, and every variation is going to give you a different design. So it is very useful like that. It's also amongst my favorite stitches. This is the last one, and here you go. So this is how double crochet looks like. That was all for today. Keep practicing, guys, and I'll see you next week with a new video which will be doing a half double crochet. Till then, take care, keep practicing, bye.